after injuring his left elbow and his right clavicle during the qualifying in the opening round of the MXGP World Championship of Argentina. That guy right there, Jago Geert, is finally coming back. He said, quote, "Finally got the green light from my surgeon yesterday, confirming that my elbow is fully healed. Also has been feeling good when I ride, so I'm looking forward to being back. Even though it's my home GP this weekend, I don't feel any pressure. The result this weekend is not important. What is important is that I am on the gate racing and enjoying it, so the goal is to have fun on the bike and enjoy the weekend." Obviously, this is for Lommel, round 14, so he's been out for a very long time, and he's probably right. At this point, you're so far out of a championship, it doesn't even matter. So just get on the bike, get some seat time, look to improve, because obviously after that long, you're probably not, or you're definitely not at race speed or race fitness. So if you can get on and you can even, top 10, top 5, that's going to be a positive because this season's a wash. At this point, you're out after multiple surgeries on both, I think both his elbow and his clavicle. Whatever. At this point, it's just get on the bike, have some fun, show some speed, and look good. give some give some sponsor time. I mean, obviously he's going to be talked about because he hasn't been racing in so long, and on a factory ride, probably he should be out front. At least I'm assuming a good start, and then we'll see from there. But I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below. Are you watching MXGP? Do you have a favorite? Are you a Geiser fan? Are you a Hurlings fan? Prado? Anybody else over there? Or are you just an American motocross fan and you're just watching our racing and looking forward to next couple rounds and SMX? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.